Hey there, how's your marketing journey going on? Are you running into some troubles or anything? Today we are going to tell you how you can configure email types inside HubSpot. So stay tuned till the end. Now if you want to configure email types, firstly click on Settings. And here on the left panel, in the Marketing section, click on Email. Once the options show up, click on Subscription Types and now create a subscription type. So in the Language section, choose a language of your choice. We will choose English. In the subscription name, it could be any of those values. So for example, I have to them once. So that's the subscription type, which means that these are those leads that have already talked to once. One-time communication has been initiated. Now we can create this subscription type. So this subscription type was created. I have talked to them once and the language is English and it's active now. Depending upon your need, you can create more subscription types in order to fit all shapes and sizes. So did you learn something new today? Did all of these things reach inside your head? And in case they didn't, you can always leave a comment below and we at CTA9 would be more than happy to help you. And in case you need our assistance in order to build something great of your own, then reach out to us via the QR code on the screen in front of you and we will be more than happy to assist you. And I'll see you guys soon in the next video.